In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF link in Google Sheets. This is a super handy trick for anyone who wants to seamlessly integrate documents into their spreadsheets for easy access and sharing. The first thing you'll want to do is upload the PDF file to your Google Drive. This step is crucial because without the file being on Google Drive, you won't be able to link it in your Google Sheet. For this demonstration, I've already uploaded a sample PDF named sample.pdf to my Google Drive. If you haven't done this yet, you can do so by simply dragging and dropping your file into the drive, or by using the New button in Drive to find and upload your file. Once your PDF is happily sitting in your drive, it's time to move over to your Google Sheet. Open up the spreadsheet where you'd like to add the link. Now, this is where the magic happens. Go to the cell where you want your link to appear. It can be any cell you choose. There, you'll type the @ symbol. This little symbol is going to pull up a feature called Smart Chips, which helps you seamlessly integrate Drive files into your sheet. After typing the @ symbol, begin typing the name of your PDF file. In our example, that's sample PDF. As you type, you'll notice a list appearing below with suggestions based on your input. This list includes all sorts of things, a myriad of options, from contacts to recent files that have similar names to what you're typing. What you want to do here is simple. Look for your file in this list. When you see sample.pdf or whatever your file's name is, go ahead and select it. This will automatically insert a clean, clickable link into your Google Sheet. It's neat, organized, and right there for anyone who has access to the sheet to use. Now you've transformed your Google Sheet into a more robust tool, one that not only presents data, but also doubles as a gateway to other crucial documents. This is particularly useful if you're dealing with a team or need to share information in a collaborative setting. They can easily open the necessary documents without digging through countless files separately. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks and keystrokes, you've augmented your Google Sheets functionality and accessibility with links to important files, making your life and the lives of those you share your document with just a bit easier. I hope this demonstration helps you to integrate your documents more fluidly into your workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget, I'll be here with more tips to make the most of your Google Workspace tools.